Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these rectangle keychains. I will leave a link to everything I used in the description box of this video. They are super easy and look great, so let's go ahead and get started. I am using Design Space today, however the process is the same no matter what cutting machine you have. First let's upload the SVG file. Browse to where you have saved the files and select the SVG folder. In this folder you will see two folder options, no hole or with hole. I am making a keychain today and my keychain blanks have holes in them, so I will select the folder with hole. All designs are numbered, so you could just upload the individual designs that you want to use. However, I have a combined file which has all the designs available in the set in one SVG file. So upload and add the SVG to the canvas. Right click to ungroup and then select the designs you want to make and then delete the rest. These designs by default fit the 7 by 3 cm acrylic keychain blanks on Amazon. I have created a template of them in SVG format which will help you fit in the name, but if your blank is larger or smaller than this size, create a shape with the size of the blank and resize the design to fit. So because I have a template of the keychain blank, I'm going to add my design to the top. Now for the name. Click on the text and then select your favorite font. I am using a font called Almond Butter and will leave a link to it in the description. Type in your name. I am making a keychain for Amelia. With the name selected, click on Weld. This will make sure each letter is joined together and cut as one name. From here you can use the keychain template to help resize the name. And once happy, delete the template. I select both the name and the pattern and change the color to pink. This will allow me to cut both elements on one mat instead of two separate mats because of the two different colors. Now go ahead and click Make It. I am using permanent glossy vinyl, so I will be choosing premium vinyl permanent glossy. Everything else will stay the same and I can now go ahead and cut it out. I'll let the video roll so you can see how I assembled the keychain.